Hi, I'm Prepper Potpourri, and I have been canning for years and years and years. And I like to find ways, different hacks, how to do things easier.
You will only need a steam juicer and immersion blender for this no peel, no slice method, and it will save you so much time and you'll end up with a more nutritious product. Now you might be saying, ooh, you got the peels on. But believe me, when we puree these with the immersion blender, you would never know there were peels in there. But your peels have a lot of vitamins for your tomatoes, so why just throw them away? That's right. You lose a lot of nutrition by discarding the tomato peels and seeds. In fact, studies have shown that peeling and removing tomato skins causes a 23% decrease in antioxidant content, and removing the seeds caused an extra 7% decrease in the tomato's antioxidant content. Yeah, you lose 30% of tomato cancer fighting antioxidants by the traditional method of blanching the tomatoes and then removing the skin and seeds. I can because I want to decide what my family eats and not to have a lot of chemical preservatives in our food, but I also want to maximize nutrition whenever possible. My method skips the blanching and peeling steps that will save you time, effort, and a kitchen mess. The traditional method has you cooking your peeled tomatoes until most of the liquid is removed and you end up with a thick sauce. This can literally take hours depending on the amount of tomatoes you are saucing. So, here's how I do it. So, one of the things I like to do is to use my steam juicer when I'm making tomato puree. I have a lot of tomatoes today. I want to can and I want to make spaghetti sauce and pizza sauce. And to do that, I need to have tomato puree. So first off, we need to wash your tomato well. You don't want any sand or anything on it. And then just core the middle. Oh, got that out. And then I just take out that little bit at the bottom there. Yeah. Probably doesn't make any difference. If there's any imperfections, you take off those too. So let's. Okay. There we go. And then I just put it whole in here. So we have it really packed full. And we're going to put this on. And it's okay if it doesn't go way down tight because as it cooks, this will condense. And now it's time to put it on the stovetop. Now, when you use your steam juicer, be careful. Don't overfill it because then it can end up erupting over your stovetop when it starts boiling. I'm heating up the water on the bottom tier and I'm putting in you can use clear marbles too. There we go. So by putting those marbles in the bottom tier, it gets very noisy. But the clue is when you stop hearing that noise, you're running dry. You got all 3 tiers on now. And it's going to be at least an hour till it's ready to puree. Okay, you can see the volume is reduced in half. And now it's time for the next step. The funnel tier here has what is called tomato water. It is not tomato juice, but it is still great for using in soups. And you can freeze it or can it. Now we puree it. You'll notice there's still a little juice or tomato water in there, and we want that. careful because it's very hot. So here you have it. See what a nice thick puree it is? Just perfect for your spaghetti sauce, your pizza sauce, or just tomato sauce. You can drain off the liquid in here if you want it even thicker. What I'm making today, I don't want it completely thick, but you can easily drain this and even have a thicker sauce. I mean, it's so easy. So next time you're canning, if you have a steam juicer, which I think you should, I have info below on the steam juicer I use it a lot, not just to puree tomatoes, but to make great grape juice, apple juice, and a variety of other juices and items. I mean, the steam juicer is an invaluable part of my canning kitchen. So, if you'd like to have more canning information on the steam juicer, check out these videos. As always, please subscribe and share the knowledge.